Make these 6 points. Your PVDF pump. PVDF magnetic pump. PVDF centrifugal pump will never have problems. When the ambient temperature of the PVDF pump, PVDF magnetic pump, and PVDF centrifugal pump is 0至10, USE ISO-VG32 viscosity grade pump, oil when colloid molding filling sealing. Machine grants when the ambient temperature is 10 至40. Use the pump oil OF ISO-VG100 viscosity grade when the vacuum pump ironing. You must keep the oil level at 1/2 to 4/3 of the height of the oil window. You should check the oil level and contamination frequently, weekly recommended. Replace the PVDF pump, PVDF magnetic pump, PVDF centrifugal pump oil, and oil filter. If the oil is contaminated and becomes black, emulsified, or thickened, you should change the oil in time. At the same time as the oil change, you should replace the oil filter, and please clean the pump before adding new oil. Cleaning and oil change steps. Stop the pump and drain the hot oil. Screw on the oil drain plug. Run FOR5-10 seconds to drain the oil. Inject cleaning oil, no. 32 ordinary mechanical oil to 4/3 of the height of the oil window place. Run the vacuum pump FOR5-10 minutes. Stop the pump and drain the oil. If the drain fat is still turbid and does not meet the requirements, repeat steps 3 and 4 until the drained oil is transparent. Screw on the drain plug and run FOR5-10 seconds. Drain the oil. Inject the specified new oil. Cleaning the suction filter should be kept clean to avoid a drop in the pumping speed. Replace the exhaust filter. If the pump temperature rises significantly, the motor current reaches or exceeds the rated current, and the pump's exhaust port produces an oil fume, you should check whether the exhaust filter is blocked. If it is blocked, it should be replaced in time. You can install a discharge pressure gauge at the filling hole of the pump to check whether the filter is clogged. The exhaust filter can be replaced when the pressure exceeds 0.68 gauge pressure. Storage. If the pump is not used for a long time, drain the oil. Clean the pump. Inject the specified new oil and place it in a dry place. If other users need to order maintenance spare parts, please inform the pump model and machine number, which you can find on the pump's nameplate, because some maintenance and repair work requires specific professional knowledge, equipment, and special tools. Please contact the manufacturer for details. It would help if you transported the pump without oil. Do not heat the oil pipe, oil filter, etc.
票圈视频